question number 14. So from question number 14 of the JAMB 2020 mathematics question, we are told that, please, this is an error. So this is log 3 base 27 plus 2x equals to minus 1. So this is the question. So this is an error. So solving for this, we have log 3 base 27 plus 2x equals to minus 1. So collect like terms, we have log 3 base 27 equals to minus 1 minus 2x. So you will come to this. I want us to recall when we are dealing with exponential. If you recall that log, let's say, a base b is equals to x is the same thing as a equals to b is power what? X. So this is the ideology of exponential indices. So judging from this, you can now say that we have 27 raised to the power of minus 1 minus 2x equals to what? 3 is power of 1. So we find the initial form of this, same thing as 3 is power 3 bracket minus 1 minus 2x close bracket equals to 3 is power 1. So this will cancel this because they are the same and they terminate each other, leaving us with 3 bracket minus 1 minus 2x close bracket equals to 1. Open the bracket, we have minus 3 minus 6x equals 1. So collect like terms, we have minus 1 minus 3 equals to plus 6x, because once this comes over here it becomes plus. So we have minus 4 equals to 6x. Collecting like terms, well, we have x equals to minus 4 over 6. So therefore x is equals to minus 2 over 3, which is this.